We're going to start talking about exponents that have the same base being multiplied together. We have two terms here you'll see in the first example, and we want to simplify it to one term. So let's look at what that means. We have x to the third power, we have x to the fifth power. If we were to write that out in expanded form, we would have 3x's and 5x's. So altogether, we have x to the eighth. Let's try it again. For the second one, we have 1y and we have 3y's. Y to the first and y to the third gives us a total of y to the fourth. You may have caught on to what's happening here. You can always write out in expanded form all of your terms and see how many you have. Or the rule we use is when multiplying powers with the same base, we add the exponents together. That saves us a shortcut when we have long problems such as w to the 7th times w to the 11th. I can write them all out. It gets a little long, so I can also add them together to get w to the 18th. Move this video for you. W to the 18th is the total if you add those two together. The last one says m to the 6th times n to the 5th. Again, I can write them all out, but 6 plus 5 would give me m to the 11th. A little shortcut that you can use when solving longer problems. Let's go to the next slide. Try these 3 problems on your own. Pause the video, and when you are ready to check your work, unpause to see the answers. So for the first one, we have 3 r's and 9 r's. That's going to give us 12 r's altogether. For the second one, we have 4 h's and 1 h. That's going to give us 5 h's altogether. And finally, we have 14 d's and 16 d's. Add them together, we get a total of d to the 30th.